Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Salesforce. In this video, we'll get to know about Salesforce Classic and Lightning. Salesforce Classic is a legacy version of Salesforce CRM platform. It is still supported by Salesforce but no longer in active development. No new features will be added anymore. Salesforce itself motivating its users to switch to Lightning from Classic. When a new user uses Salesforce, by default, Salesforce puts them in Lightning experience. Some users still prefers Classic as it loads faster than Lightning. As the name suggests, making apps is way more easier with a lightning fast speed with Salesforce Lightning. It was first announced at Dreamforce conference and fully rolled out in 2016. Salesforce Lightning is easy to use with updated UI and features. Lightning provides drag and drop functionalities, which one is less complex than Visualforce. We can toggle between Classic and Lightning just in a single click. There is an option given in Classic in top right of the page to switch to Salesforce Lightning, and in Lightning it is provided an profile icon to switch to Salesforce Classic. The appearances, UI and UX are the main distinguishing features between Salesforce Classic and Lightning, but there are some other notable differences also. Classic comes with limited features, but with Lightning, many new features were added such as real-time analytics and mobile user experience. Lightning provides high level of security than Classic. Lightning provides customizable homepage and real-time dashboard with more columns. Kanban view is added for opportunities in Lightning. It is very easy and fast to track, manage and update record with Kanban view. The architecture of Classic was based upon Apex Code and Visualforce, so it was not easy to customize. But Salesforce Lightning uses component-based architecture in which we can drag and drop components with point-and-click functionalities. So that's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe 5 Minute Salesforce for more such content. Thank you.